First off, y'all like my hair? I love this. I'm like really getting into these butterfly locks. I didn't know I was gonna like it, but I like them. I like them a lot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video, I'm gonna be doing my December favorites. Today's video is going to be my December favorites, what I've been loving this entire month of December, a little longer, but I'm going to be talking about these products that I've been using in this month, well, this past month. And I'm not going to chit chat for long, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I have a variety of products. So let's start off with the first one. I'm going to be starting off with, let's do hair first because that's the first thing that I'm looking at. I'm going to be mentioning this Tegan, and I think TGIN is Thank God I'm Natural. It's natural or something like that, but I know natural and Thank God is in here. So TGIN, oh, it says it right here, duh. Thank God It's Natural brand, the Honey Miracle Hair Mask with raw honey and olive oil. And it's, sorry, I needed to close my door. And it is a deep conditioner. And if you don't deep condition and you are natural, what are you doing? Why are you not deep conditioning? I don't understand. Deep condition. So this I used this twice. Yes, I used this twice and I really love it. I love that it is so hydrating. I have deep conditioners for reparative deep conditioners, and then I have hydrating deep conditioners, and this is a very hydrating deep conditioner, obviously because of the honey and olive oil. If you don't know, honey and olive oil are very moisturizing, hydrating ingredients for your hair. They're really good for your hair. I love that. First off, it smells delicious. It smells so freaking good. And I love that it really hydrates my hair. I'm sorry, I talk fast. But what I do is I use this in a scalp oil. I deep condition, put a plastic cap on my head, and I deep condition for at least an hour. I never deep condition less than an hour because usually I'm doing other things. And I want my deep conditioner to sit. Anyway, so I used this, like I said, twice, and I am in love. I like this brand. I have a couple of other products that I use from them, and I have not had an issue. I got this product from Target. Also with this product, it is thick, and I like a thicker mask. So you don't need a lot of this mask to saturate, well, for me, to saturate my whole head. My hair is not the longest, so like I feel like I mean, it comes to my shoulder. So I have pretty decent length hair, and I don't need a lot to saturate my entire head and make it from root to end. So that I appreciate. And I feel like it's not expensive either, because deep conditioners can run you $1, but this one is a really good price. So this is my first product that I wanted to mention. Along with that hair product, I had got this Creole Essence 100% Haitian black castor oil, and it promotes thicker, longer hair and to hydrate and smooth skin. And it's in the flavor or scent chocolate vanilla. And I love this because it smells like cocoa. It smells like hot chocolate. But it's a really good product. Like it genuinely, I had issues with my edges, especially like this side of my head. And I've been using it for quite a while, but I really started using this. I use it especially when I have braids in my hair. So it says to use it 2 to 3 times a week. You can use it in deep conditioners. You can use it on your skin. And it really works. It really or helps my hair grow in, especially around my edges, which I really had an issue with. And it smells really good. It's not inexpensive. It's not expensive. I always say that. It's not expensive. And I got it from Ulta. And it's Black owned. Okay. It's a Black owned brand from Ulta. Yes. So that I really needed to mention in my favorites. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is skin. And I have 2 products, I guess 3 products that I'm going to be mentioning in this video. And the first one is this Biosense. Somebody please help me. Squalane plus hyaluronic toning mist, and it mist tones, hydrates, and balances skin. That was a tongue twister, and I'm so sorry. I don't know how to pronounce that. But this is the packaging, and I got it from Sephora. I use the Fresh toner, and I love that toner. Like, that is my holy grail toner. I always have to have that toner. I don't know what I'm going to do without that toner, but I've realized I wanted to use that toner in my nighttime skincare routine and a different toner in my daytime skincare routine. So I decided to pick this up. It was highly rated on Sephora, so I wanted to try it. I've never tried this brand before, and I really like it. I really see a difference, especially in the daytime. This hyaluronic, why do I want to say essence? It's not an essence, but the hyaluronic acid. The hyaluronic acid really helps my skin glow. Oh my gosh, I've been into the natural glow of my skin lately, and this really helps. So it does have a spray. It's a spray, so you just mist it. Oh, you can always spray it on a cotton pad, but I've found that I like to spray it on my face and let it sit, and then I go in with the moisturizer. So my daytime skincare routine is very simple. It's a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. That's it. That's all I have time for. I'm not a morning person, so that's all you're gonna get from me. And I really enjoyed this product, so I'm really excited to use more products of theirs. I want to try out maybe like a cleanser, a moisturizer, and stuff like that. So I really enjoyed this toning mist this month. Next product I want to mention, and this went with the toner, is this Soap & Glory Urban Legend Double Protection Daily SPF 30 Antioxidant Day Cream with green tea and vitamin C. Whew. That was a mouthful, but it's a moisturizer for the daytime. It is a thicker moisturizer. I don't know if you can see that, but it has SPF in it. And if you're going to be using any kind of hyaluronic acids, any kind of serums, any kind of vitamin C or anything like that, you need an SPF. You need an SPF in general, but like especially if you're really trying to up your game in your skincare department, you need an SPF. And I found, like, I was using separate SPFs, but I'm the laziest, especially in the morning. And if I can just get a one and done, like, simple product, that's what I'm going to go for. I got this from Target. It was inexpensive, of course. Target's not, that's not a expensive. Well, Target can bring you some money, but this brand isn't super expensive, is what I was trying to say. I really like it. It says it's a lightweight, non-clogging formula. It means it's suitable for daily use. Plus, it contains powerful antioxidants, leaving skin gloriously glowy. And it truly does leave my skin so glowy and just beautiful. Like, I have it on, well, I used this moisturizer before I did and I can see, like, my skin, like, I keep looking into the monitor because I just did my makeup, and it looked, because of my skincare, like you really have to put your time and effort into developing a really good skincare routine if you're going to be doing your makeup. Like, makeup can't hide everything. It's not supposed to hide, it's supposed to enhance. So develop a really good, and it doesn't have to be super expensive. Like, it doesn't have to be these high-end products either. Get something that works for your skin and use it on a daily, and it will definitely change for you. So that was my pro tip. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Let's move on. Along with a good skincare routine, you need to take vitamins and probiotics. And to be honest, I was not taking probiotics until this year, and I am in my late 20s, so shame on me. But I'm taking them now, so better late than never. And I'm taking the Garden of Life Doctor Formulated Probiotics Once Daily Women's. It has 50 billion guaranteed 16 probiotic strands. It's for vaginal, digestive, and immune system. Let me tell you, if you are having, let's say, odor problems, digestive problems, you can't go to the bathroom on a regular, your skin's not flourishing, you have constipation, like anything like that, put a probiotic into your system. It is, this one I like because it's not like one of those powder pills. It's not huge. Oh shoot, this is a new pack. I got them from Amazon, and they do a subscription thing. So I'm gonna link it down below. And if you do a subscription, they send it to you every month, around the clock, and you take it every day. And I don't want to open them. I'm sorry. I already have a pack that I haven't opened. But they're gel capsules, so it'll easily get absorbed in your system, and it's easy to swallow. I've been taking them for longer than this month. I know I'm featuring them in my December favorites, but I have been taking them for at least 6 months, a little longer. I feel like since April, I've been taking these probiotics, and they really have changed me and my life. So if they change me in my life, they're going to change you in your life, and you should get them. And that's on that. So the next product I'm going to be mentioning is this Bite Beauty Agave Plus Intensive Lip Mask. And I've been using this for at least 3 to 4 years. These are expensive. Expensive AF. It's $26 for this little ass tube. I feel like I've mentioned this product before in several videos, but it's because it is a really good lip mask. It is so thick, and it stays on your lips all damn day or all damn night. I use it when I'm here. I have two. I have one in here and then one by my bed. But I use it just randomly. Like, if my lips feel super dry, put this on, I'm good to go. And it lasts. So you know how some like lip masks, they don't last on your lips. They dry your lips out. This one does not. It actually heals your lips. So if you are having an issue with cracked, dusty, dry ass lips, get you one of these. Around this time, I do know, well, last year they did, Bite Beauty does like a super sale. I don't think it's announced, honestly. I just randomly went into Sephora last year, and they were $8 a pop. So if you just happen upon a Sephora, go into Sephora around this time, and they should be able to tell you if they're going to go on sale or not. But this one is really nice. They also have a red tinted one that can give you like a red tint if you ever want to just go out and about with it. That one's really nice, but I stick with the clear one because I just be in the house with it. So that is that. I only have 2 more products to share with you, and then we'll be done. The next product I want to The next product I want to mention is this Nest rollerball in the scent Black Tulip. I have the rollerball. I do intend to get the actual perfume, but this scent is so amazing. It smells, and I don't like floral. I don't like floral scents at all, honestly. It has to be mixed in with something, like something good. And this one, it's so good. If you've never smelled this Black Tulip scent, please go into Sephora and get this perfume. It literally, I don't know the notes on it, so don't get me to lying, but trust me, I know you don't know me, but trust me, okay? Once you smell this, we're gonna be best friends, because you're gonna come back and be like, girl, you was right, that shit is bomb. This smells so good. I have it on right now, and it lasts. Even the rollerball, like I was like, the rollerball's not gonna last, like, but it actually lasts on my body. I wouldn't say all day. You can still smell it on me, and it's 2:00. Yeah, it lasts for a good amount of time. It's not a heavy perfume. It's not none of that, but it is a really nice light scented perfume. So try it, okay? So the last product I'm going to mention is a candle. And a little bit about me. I love candles. But the one that I'm going to mention is Marshmallow Fireside by Bath & Body Works. It smells like holidays in a jar. Like, it smells like roasting marshmallows by an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. That's what it smells like. Like, it smells so freaking good. It has notes of toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, crystallized amber with essential oils. And you can smell every note is in this. And if you have never smelled Marshmallow Fireside, you are missing out on life. Girl, get it together. This, I already burnt one out, and I just bought them last week. That's how good it smells. I can leave this scent or this candle burning. I burn my candles all day long. Like, it's actually ridiculous. I burn my candles all day long. But this one pops off, okay? You need it, especially for this winter. Get this candle. Go get it right now. Pause this video and go get it. You need it, okay? Okay. Alright guys, so that is it. Those are my December favorites. If you made it to the end of this video, you're a real one. Thank you so much for joining me. Everything that I mentioned is going to be linked down below. I'm going to try to link everything down below. Yeah, I'm going to link everything down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.